Yes, yes.
Okay. Good evening, everybody. Today I am going to discuss. I'm not going to teach because all are you aware of this math and everything. So let us discuss about surds and indices. Okay, surds and indices. See here. Can you see this people?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Surds and indices. Okay. So first discuss about, we're going to discuss about the laws and formulas. Laws of surds and indices. So we all know a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. And next, a power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. A power m whole power n is equal to a power mn multiplying both. A b to the whole power n can be written as a power n and b power n. Oh, this is third one, this is fourth one, and this is fifth one. A by b whole power n can be written as a power n by b power n. And last, a power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, coming to the surds, nth power of a can be written as a power 1 by n. Can you see me? Is it okay for you?
Yeah, yeah.
Actually, it is my first class. I have to take it board, but due to this COVID and everything, please adjust with this paper. Okay, sorry for your inconvenience. Nth power AB can be written as nth power A into nth power B. Nth power A by B can be written as nth power A, nth power B. M root n root A can be written as mnth power of A. Fifth one, nth power A to the power m can be written as n a power m, nth root a power m. Okay, these are the formulas. Okay, and now we'll start the problems given in that book. Shall I start?
Yeah, please start.
It was given 17th power 3.5 into 17th power some x is equal to 17th power 8. So they ask us to find this.
Please
So
adjust
we
your
can
camera a little bit. Adjust your camera a little focus. Yeah, yeah. Right.
Is it okay now?
Yes, yes.
Let us give the name x is equal to 17th power 8. It is in the form of a power m into a power n. It is nothing but a power m plus n, isn't it? So here 17th power 3.5 plus x is equal to 17th power 8. When bases are equal, equalate the power. So that gives 3.5 plus x is equal to 8. So x is equal to 8 minus 3.5. That is nothing but 4.5. Is it okay? Can you understand? I have to explain once again.
Yes, ma'am.
Any questions, students? Pankaj, do you want ma'am to explain it once again?
No, ma'am, I understood, ma'am.
You understood, right? Yeah, you can proceed.
Okay, thank you very much. Second problem, it was given that a by b to the power x minus 1 is equal to b by a x minus 3. They ask us to find x. So one more thing I forgot to tell. 1 by a power n can be written as a power minus n. This is one more formula. Okay. So here we can write a by b to the power of x minus 1 is equal to a by b to the power minus x minus 3. Is it okay? Are you clear?
Yeah, yeah.
Have to explain once again. Just change, it will be reciprocate this one and that sign will be changed to plus to minus.
Yeah.
And the same formula, when bases are equal, equalate power. Equalate the powers. So x minus 1 is equal to minus x minus of minus 3. That will be plus 3. And it can be written as x plus x is equal to 3 plus 1. You got it? Minus x will become to this side and x minus 1 will go to this side and it will become signs changed. Minus will become plus 1 and minus x will become plus x. That is equal to 2x is equal to 4. And x is equal to 4 by 2, 2. So value of x is 2. Okay. You want me to explain once again?
No,
Dear
ma'am.
students, if you have any doubts, you can ask. Otherwise, ma'am will continue. After the question is over, you can ask your doubts. Then ma'am will go to the next question.
Am I running?
No, ma'am, you can do the next question.
Okay then.
If
Thank
they
you.
have a doubt, they'll ask you after the question is over.
Okay. And third problem, it was given that 10 power 0.48 is equal to x and 10 power 0.70 is equal to y and x power z is equal to y square. Find z. Okay. X power z is equal to y square. That is equal to 10 power 0.48 to the power z is equal to y square. 10.070 to the power 2. So here one formula, a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. Multiply that elements. So 10 power 0.48z is equal to 10 power to 14. Is it 1.40? Is it clear? So again, the same thing. When bases are equal, equalate that power. 0.48 Z is equal to 1.40. Z is equal to 1.40 by 4.48. That is equal to 140 by 48. 70 by 24. 35 by 12. That is approximately equal to 2.9, not 3. Okay, approximately. So value of Z is equal to 2.9 approximately. You got it? You want me to explain once again?
Explain once again, ma'am.
Okay, then. Thank you. So that given that X is equal to 10 power 0.48, isn't it? And Y is equal to 10 power 0.70. Why? Given that X power Z is equal to Y square. So they ask us to find Z. So we are writing that this is X, 10 power 0.48 to the power Z is equal to Y square. Y is 10 power 0.70 to the power 2. Isn't it? Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So here we are using this formula. A power m to the whole power n is equal to a power mn, multiplying that one. That is 0.48 into z. That is 0.48z. Here 0.70 into 2, I directly wrote that one, 200 14 410 1.40. Isn't it? Got it?
Yeah, yeah.
That is, so when bases are equal, just we have to equalate the power. That is 0.40 Z is equal to 1.40. That is given that, because this is nothing but X power Z and this is nothing but Y square. So we are equalating it, that. That is all, everything is given in the problem only. So we have to find the Z. So some 2x is equal to some 4. So x is equal to 4 by 2. We'll divide that one. So z is equal to 1.40 by 0.48. That is equal to, I am dividing both with 100. Isn't it? Because I want to divide with not in points. Okay, to make me clear. So dividing and multiplying numerator and denominator with 100. So we'll get 140 by 48. That is equal to, dividing with 2, 70 by 24. Again dividing with 2, 35 by 12. Now I am dividing 12 with 35. 2s are 24, 11.9. Isn't it? Got it?
Yeah, yeah.
Again, I have to explain.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's it. So we'll go to, so approximately I got this one.
You can move on to the next question.
Okay. You want me to explain once again?
No, no, ma'am. You can explain the next question. Next question.
So here, I think next problem also in the same way, given that 10 power, okay. So not that one, fifth one. 3 power x minus y is equal to 27. And 3 power x plus y is equal to 243. And x is equal to dash. So here it is given 3.x minus y is equal to 27 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3. That is 3 power 3. And x plus y, 3 power x plus y can be written as 243. And it can be written as 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, 81 3s are 243. That is 3.5. So when bases are equal, equalate that power. X minus y is equal to 3. You got it? X plus y is equal to 5. So now add this one. By adding, you lose y minus y plus y will be cancelled. 2x is equal to 8. Then x is equal to
You
8
can move
by
up the
2,
paper, ma'am,
4.
little bit.
Okay.
Little, yeah, like that.
The value of x is 4. If they ask the value of y is equal to how much, then 4 minus y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 4 plus 3. No,
-3.
minus 3. Yeah. 4
4
minus
minus
3. That is 1.
Y is equal to 1.